Now children, today we will read about grid system. Now what is grid system? See these lines children. Crisscross of horizontal and vertical lines are called grid. Okay. Now children, we know about latitudes and longitudes. Horizontal lines are called latitudes and vertical lines are called longitude. Now these latitudes and longitudes together form a grid which cover the entire earth children. This crisscross of latitude and longitude is called grid system. It is Earth's grid system children. Now put finger in your book and be attentive during the reading of the chapter. Grid. Longitudes and latitudes crisscross each other to form a network of lines known as a grid. Understood children? What is grid? The network formed with latitudes and longitudes on the globe is called grid system. You can see in this picture children, latitude and longitudes. Latitudes are parallel lines and longitudes run from north to south. They cut latitude at right angle, means 90-degree angle. They cut latitudes at 90-degree angle. The point in the grid where latitudes and longitudes intersect each other is called a coordinate. Now see children, what is coordinate? Where latitude and longitude meet at right angle. See these red dot, these are called coordinate. And every point or every coordinate on this grid is one location. It is helpful to find a location children. This point is called coordinate where latitude and longitude meet. Coordinates help us to locate any place or point on the earth children. This point help us to locate any place. Grid. It is helpful to know the location of a place on the earth. This grid, children, this grid defines location on the earth's surface. Yes, children. Let us understand this with the help of the map given above. In this map, the columns are labeled on the top with the letters A, B, C and D. The rows are labeled with the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now children, see this diagram, see this picture. It is grid, crisscross lines of horizontal lines and vertical lines. Above here, alphabets are marked A, B, C and D. And here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will locate the place. How? Places are. Ravi's house is located in the grid box or square formed in column A, row 4. The name of the grid box or square is A4. Similarly, Makhiza Hospital is located at B2. Now, children, see this picture. Ravi's house. First of all, we will find out the column. Ravi's house is in A column. And what is the row? Number 4. Then what is the location of Ravi's house? It is children A4. So we will write this A4. Now find out Makhiza Hospital location. It is in B square. And row 2. Then what is the location of Makhiza Hospital? It is B2 children. We can locate places like this. Okay. Now Now find out in which grid, box or square, Panache shopping mall and Ravi's school are located. Okay. Now where is Panache shopping mall? It is in A column. Blue line you are watching this. This indicates Panache shopping mall's location and it is in A row. Then what is the location of shopping mall? It is A1. Now let me tell about playground. Playground. Red line marks the location of playground. It is in D row, D column and 1 row. Then location of playground is D1. Now Ravi's school. Yellow line indicates the location of Ravi's school. It is in D column and 2 row. So the location of Ravi's house is D2. Now Panache cinema hall. Green line indicates Panache cinema hall. It is in C4. So the location of Panache cinema hall is C4. Now children, there is one more grid. We will find the location of these animals. Okay. Rows are marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A, B, C, D and E. We will find the locations. First of all children, location of dog. Tell me C and 4. Then what is the location of dog children? C4. Absolute location of dog is C4. Now the chick. What is the location? 2 and here D. It means the location of chick is D2. Okay. Now next bull. Bull is in E column and 1 row. Then what is the location of bull? It is E1. Now what is the location of pig? It is in B column, B square and 3rd row. Then the absolute location of pig is B3 children. Now what is the location of frog? It is 5 and A. Then what is the location of frog? It is A5. Now children understood how we will locate